If you've lost access to your Gmail account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Go to the Gmail sign-in page. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Choose recovery options. You will be presented with various recovery options. If you cannot access your phone or email for verification codes, select Try another way until you reach an option that suits you. Step 3. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer any security questions you set up when you created your account. Provide accurate answers to help verify your identity. Step 4. Use account recovery form. If you cannot answer the security questions, you may be directed to fill out an account recovery form. Provide as much information as possible about your account, including previous passwords and account creation details. Step 5. Wait for Google's response. After submitting your recovery request, wait for Google to review your information. They will send you an email with instructions on how to regain access to your account if your recovery is successful. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to recover access to your Gmail account. Remember to update your recovery options once you regain access to avoid similar issues in the future.